The 2024 facelifted Yaris Cross joins its sibling Yaris hatchback model with a new dual hybrid powertrain, offering and adopting 5th-generation Toyota hybrid technology in a new powertrain option, the Hybrid 130. The established 1.5-liter full hybrid electric system has been equipped with a new transaxle that features a larger and more powerful electric motor generator. This, together with adjustments to the power control unit, delivers a 14% increase in total system output, from 116 to 132 horsepower. The result is faster acceleration, with the 0 to 100 km per hour time reduced by half a second to 10.7 seconds. Access to information, connectivity and entertainment have been transformed with the introduction of a completely new digital user experience. This includes both a driver's instrument display that can be configured and customized to suit the driver's preference, and a multimedia system that's more powerful, quicker to respond. The displays are class-leading in size, 7 or 12.3 inch for the driver's combimeter and 9 or 10.5 inch for the multimedia touchscreen, depending on grade. The version with a sporty style, GR Sport, is still available on this redesigned version. The Yaris Cross inherits the comprehensive safety features under the umbrella term Toyota T-Mate, which enhances driving ease and safety. This package includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense systems, typically optional or unavailable in other SUV models but provided as standard in the entire Yaris Cross range. The introduction of a new multimedia system and data communications module allows seamless over-the-air updates, eliminating the need for visits to service centers. Enhanced camera and radar systems extend the scope of accident risk detection, with the pre-collision system now recognizing a broader range of potential impacts, including head-on collisions, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycles.